so what we have here is the detailing kit, the CyberTruck detailing kit. And when it's shipped, you'll have, it should say fragile. So we're going to see what it looks like. It comes in this little casing, it looks like. Oh, fancy. So, okay, so this is actually cool looking. It says glass. And then, let me see. Kind of undo that. Okay. So it comes with 4. Oh, this is, oh. See, we're all learning together. So this is for the glass. This is for the interior. Okay. And this is waterless. Waterless. Can you see that? And then stainless. Can you see the stainless? Okay. So, and then each comes with its own cloth. Okay. So, well, since we're on the outside, let's see if we can give the stainless a try. Here we go. Let's see. What area would we, okay, let's, this is the most used portion. I'm not sure if you can see that so well. Let's try the driver's side because that is the most, there we go. Let's see if that's a better view. So we're gonna try there are a lot of fingerprints right here. Okay, we'll go ahead and open this. It has a little, all right, let's see what we can do. See what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm not sure if you guys can see that very well. All right, let's try again. Probably should use the other side. And we got most of the fingerprints out. Kind of going in a circular motion. The fingerprints are out, and that's what's amazing. For those who have this, who haven't had it wrapped, you kind of deal with those fingerprints, and it can get quite annoying. So I suggest using the terry cloth portion. I was initially using this velvety side, but it has a terry cloth area, so likely want to do that. So it's kind of cool. Let's try one more part. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this, but they're little spots. You can see a little bit of that. All right, let's see if we can decrease that look. All right, let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. It's coming right off. I just had the car washed, and those are the areas that just couldn't come right off. So, if you don't have your car wrapped, I suspect this is one of the reasons many people have the car wrapped. But that is beautiful. It just came right off. Now, it's possible there's more to this in terms of how to use this. Possibly I may be using too much, not enough, or whatever. But for the most part, all those grungy spots, stains came right off. It looks like it'll be best used all over the vehicle because you have some areas that are kind of clean and then some areas that are just water clean, if that makes sense. So there's that. So that again is the stainless steel. So anyway, that's the detailing kit. My suggestion, as in what I will do, anytime I go and get the car cleaned, give this kit to the cleaning people. The people that do the cleaning. Just give it to them and let them do it, because clearly I either did that wrong, or it's a lot more to what I did. But that's it. Okay. Word of advice. Read instructions. Read instructions. Per the stainless instructions, it suggests you use the waterless on an area you want to clean before. So let's try again on the other side of the vehicle this time. We're going to go ahead and unlock this. Okay, okay, unlock this. Go ahead and unlock this. Let's try this one more time. Hey, we're figuring this out together, okay? Okay, let's use this side. Okay, if you guys can see, this side of the vehicle also has those little water stains or whatever. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try and use the waterless first. Read instructions, people. Instructions are your friends. And then now we're going to do the stainless. Now I will say it's definitely better, a lot better than my first go around. Yeah, I would say it is definitely a little lot better. Look at that. Let me see. As compared, I mean, the other side is still clean, but you can almost see the grimy. It's not grimy, it's just, you can see the wipes. You can see the wipes. You know what I mean? You get it. We all get it.